There are a few graphical tools built into the server core. One of those is Notepad. So in the command prompt, if I just type Notepad, it does pull up the text editor. This is so you could create scripts, so you could edit scripts that you've copied over. For example, if I have saved the script to somewhere on the C drive of this machine, I could simply type Notepad like I did, and I could go to File, Open, and you could actually browse for the path to your script. So Notepad is one. Task Manager is also built in. TASKMGR is the command line for Task Manager. So if you wanted to view running processes or anything like that, you could simply use Task Manager. You could also edit the registry by using regedit. That is natively built in, so regedit. And MSInfo32 will pull up the system information. So if you wanted to view anything related to hardware, software on the server core itself, you could use any of those four. So they are Notepad, Task Manager, regedit, and MSInfo32 are the graphical tools built in. Now, if you want to run PowerShell, in the command prompt, you can simply type PowerShell, and not a lot changes. It's going to stay in the black window here. The only thing you'll notice is up here it says PowerShell on the title bar, and this changed from the C users to PS. Now, when you start typing, well, I'm going to type get-services. The first thing you notice is it's yellow instead of just the white syntax that all the traditional Windows commands have. But this get-service, if we just hit enter, it would simply execute that command and give me a list of services. If you want to revert back to the command prompt, you can simply type CMD, and it rolls back to be the command prompt itself. So those are a few tools built in locally. Now, what we will do with this in upcoming lessons is we will end up joining this to our Active Directory domain, and we will look at how you can manage this remotely through graphical tools that you have installed on other machines. Pretty interesting.